Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Now guys, we made 1,000 subscribers. Yay! Thank you all. Thank you so much guys. Thank you for supporting me. For my new subscribers, you are welcome. God bless you all. Yes, now today I'm making the traditional Ugandan matoke, steamed matoke. You guys, what is Ugandan food without this matoke? Yes, so you have your matoke stalks or your chikoloyobi there. You put them in there. Now you remove this hard part from the banana leaves. We are going to use 4 banana leaves. Now you don't miss any step to see how we use them. Now yes, remove, you clean you arrange your banana leaves properly. Please make sure you clean them before you do all this. Now you add this in there. Now you're going to add in your first banana leaf. I told you we have 4. So this setting helps the water not to enter our bananas because we are steaming it. And the best way to steam it in the Ugandan way is by using the banana leaves and all that. So you add on top of that, you add on your second banana leaf. That's where we are going to put our matoke after peeling them nicely. Now don't be scared of peeling matoke. I know most of you guys are a bit shy with peeling matoke. Just put enough cooking oil in your hands, okay? It's going to help so that when you're washing it, it will be clean like very fast. So yes, you peel your matoke nicely. You peel it and put it in cold water so that it doesn't get brown. You see that? Yes, so wash it nicely and add it in the saucepan. In our banana leaf. Now you're going to add, this is like now your 4th, you cut it from your 4th banana leaf. You cover it nicely so that it steams nicely. Yes, now you fold this, cover properly, and then you're going to add your 4th banana leaf. Your 3rd. This is our 3rd banana leaf. You add it on top of that, cover nicely. Now you cover with a saucepan and you cook for at least 1 hour or until your matoke is ready. Yes, now you also add in water. 2 to 3 cups will be enough. Please make sure that your matoke doesn't burn. If the water is not enough, add in more. You make sure that the water doesn't run out. So our kafudi is here, looking nice. The first step of getting ready. So here it's ready and it's very, very soft. So you're going to mash this. Please mash it in the banana leaf inside. You cover it there inside and you mash it. You can use your banana leaves there to mash it. And please make sure you don't take long doing this because we don't want air to go through it, because if air goes through it then it will become hard. So you make sure you do this a bit fast, and you're not going to use a lot of energy because remember our matoke is already soft. You just have to do this all round, okay? Yes, so this is my 4th banana leaf. As you can see, the green one, I changed my matoke and I put it in here. So I'm going to wrap it in this 4th banana leaf nicely. Yes, I'm going to wrap it in there nicely, and then we put it in our saucepan, add in a bit of hot water. If the water ran out, please add in hot water. Don't add in cold water. Yes, you cover it nicely and let it simmer for at least 30 to more. I would advise at least 1 more hour to 2 hours. For me, it simmered for at least for 2 hours here. And guys, oh, this is nice. This looks nice. So yes, tell me, what part didn't you get properly when you tried it? How did it come out? Was it tricky? Because I know first time, if you're doing this for the first time, it might be a bit tricky, but let me know. Yes, so guys, thank you so much. Now you can have this with your favorite. You can have this with your chicken stew, with your goat stew, with your meat stew, with your beef stew, chinyewa. I have all these recipes in my on my channel. Thank you guys. God bless you. Ciao.